Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to receive money through Remitly. The process is simple and easy to follow. Let's begin with the sender's side. Open the Remitly app and go to the Recipients section. Tap on Add Recipient and enter the required information. First name, last name, mobile number, email, if needed, street address, state, and the reason for sending the money. Once you've entered all the details, tap Save. Now, when you return to the Recipients section, you'll see the contact you just added. Tap on the name, then select Send Money. Follow the steps to complete the money transfer. Now let's look at how the recipient receives the money. Once the sender begins the transfer, they'll choose how the money will be delivered to you. As the recipient, you need to let the sender know your preferred method of receiving the money. You can give them your bank account details if you want a direct deposit. If you prefer mobile banking, provide the relevant information for that option. You can also choose cash pickup. Remitly offers various pickup points depending on your country. Mobile money apps are another option if you have one. Just let the sender know your preferred method and share the required details. For instance, if you're in India and choose UPI, simply provide your UPI number. After the sender enters that number, they'll click Continue. Next, they'll be asked to enter your full name and date of birth. After that, they'll need to provide your ID information. Once everything is filled in, they'll tap Continue and then Pay to complete the transfer. That's how you receive money using Remitly. Thanks for watching.